Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the artwork and unlocking just the layer you will work on. Set the Magic Wand tolerance to a mid-value, toggle contiguous or sample all layers to match your goal, and pick the Y key for speed. Once done, click the area you want. You'll see similar fills selected instantly. If shapes overlap, use direct selection to nudge anchors or temporarily hide layers. Make sure to save a version before broad edits, so you can revert if a selection goes wrong. Once you have a basic selection, switch to add or subtract mode to include adjacent colors or exclude stray points. This is the heart of control. Then, change fill or stroke, use align to distribute pieces, and employ Pathfinder to merge or cut shapes cleanly. If you need color edits, convert the selection into live paint or make a compound path to preserve edges. Make sure to use keyboard modifiers, Shift, Alt, Command for rapid toggling, because that speed transforms a fiddly task into a smooth workflow. You finish by expanding appearances and simplifying paths to reduce anchor clutter, then inspect for stray points and correct joins. After cleaning, save a working copy and export optimized assets as SVG or PNG with the right resolution. If you hit a problem, selections not matching, first increase tolerance slightly, then try select same fill color to catch subtle variations. If none of that works, isolate the object on its own layer and reapply the Magic Wand. That usually resolves hidden stacking or opacity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.